Hey guys, glad to see you on my new YouTube video. My name is Nick and today I want to show you how to create a QR code and visualize it beautifully in Adobe Express. So let's get started, and firstly I want to show you how to create a QR code. At the top left corner you can see the plus icon. Let's click on it. Now you need to go to the second tab, quick actions. Right here, click on it. Just find the generate QR code option right here. So let's click on it, and with this function we can create a QR code. So only you have to do is enter your URL right in this field. So let's copy the URL, go back, and now paste it here. Okay, now you can go to style, and here you can customize your QR code. Right here you can see how the QR code is changing, so let's do this. Now go to color, let's make it green for example, and the last one, file format, let's select PNG. Okay, now click on download, and in the download history you can see our file. Okay, now let's close it and go to the home page of Adobe Express, and at the very top you can see the search box. So let's click on it, and right here just type QR code, and after that press enter. So there you can see a lot of different templates that you can easily use. You can of course customize it as you want. For example, I really like this one. Click on it, and now click on customize template. Oh, and also I would like to drag the created QR code to the desktop, so let's do it. Okay, and now let's click on the QR code and replace it. Just click on this button, replace, and you can upload from device. So let's click on it, and now you need to find your QR code on your PC. Go to the desktop and select Adobe Express QR code, and here it is. Oh, and for example, I want to change this label, so select it, double click on it, and now just type here something, google.com for example. So guys, that's how you can easily create a QR code in Adobe Express. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to see more videos from my channel, subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.